Hey guys, welcome back to another Grumpa Mike Radio. Today we're doing yet another Mission Souls, and this one's, I'm going to say, got me worried, but I think they can pull it off. I think. It's Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Now, we lost the great and wonderful Oz this year, or I guess it was last year. Was it this year? I don't remember. Was it the beginning of this year or the end of last year? I don't quite remember. But we lost a great one. We lost the icon. We lost the one and only person that could be the wonderful Wizard of Oz. The Ozman, Ozzy Osbourne. Love him or hate him, dude was an icon. Had that nostalgic voice. Had the voice that everybody knew exactly who it was. But we lost him. So, yeah, I'm really curious to see how the family does Crazy Train, to be 100% honest with you. So it's going to be quite a ride. As always, down in the description is a link to their channel as well as the video uncut over there for them. And if you're ever wondering what kind of equipment I'm using like this or the Go XLR or anything like that, links down in the description for that. And if you're not a member of the channel and you want to be a member and help me out, help the channel grow, go ahead and hit the membership down below as well. But enough of that. No sponsors. Sponsoring myself. Enough of that. All right, we're going to jump into it. Let's go Mission Souls, Ozzy Osbourne. Crazy Train. Aye. Damn, okay, I'm blown away. It's hard for Mission Souls to blow me away. I've seen so many bangers come from this family. But yet again, here they are. Killing the guitar, killing the vocals, Iceman killing the drums. Damn. Ozman is up there proud of these kids. Sharon, I hope Sharon and the rest of the family get to see this video. Or their video. Put it that way. Such an honor. I don't want to stop. Do you feel it like I feel it? I'm just asking. Just asking the question. Do you feel it in your bones like I feel it? I'm trying not to fucking bawl like a baby. It's emotional. They are so good. They hit you right inside. Right inside. Let's go. I just want to hear Ice again. Unreal. Unreal. What a ride. What a mother ride. Holy crap. Holy crap. Wow. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Like I said at the beginning, I knew how good they were. I knew what bangers they put out before. I had doubts. I still had doubts. Doubts no more. Doubts no more. This has got to be one of my all-time favorite Mission Soul songs now. It's got to be. It is definitely up there. 100%. I'm trying to remember what was better than this. I don't know. I got to go back and look through old videos of mine and figure it out. But right now, this is the banger. This is the banger. If you're not subscribed to them, please go subscribe to them. I love you guys. I'm going to get the hell out of here. You guys take care. You guys have a great one. I'm out. Goodbye.